What is going on YouTube? Haterback making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we have to continue from where we left off yesterday, which is pretty much tracking most of these major cryptocurrencies and how they are getting ever so close to breaking out as we are nearing what appears to be the end of a lot of technical indicators here. Granted, it is the weekend. Today is the last day on the weekend here where we had, today's Easter, but we had Friday, which was closed Good Friday. Then we had market close Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and now will be open Monday, but from Thursday afternoon till Monday morning, markets have been closed, and we've been kind of seeing that affect cryptos throughout that break because cryptocurrencies really haven't been moving or doing anything for the time being. However, we did just recently see a small little spurt on Ethereum, which I want to talk about later on. Bitcoin is still consolidating very nicely. I might add right here, you can see the consolidation taking place. Then we look at S&P 500, which hasn't done anything yet. XRP, which is filling in the gap beautifully here, and then Solana, which is still in its uptrend here, which I'm also quite excited about. But what I'm sure a lot of you guys are waiting for is to figure out who the giveaway winner is, which we're going to go over in a minute with you right after the introduction here. But that's pretty much everything that we are going to have to go over. Beyond that, remember guys, BitFi is still doing their 4th anniversary. They're giving away $20,000 in USDT to people right here. It's a prize pool, and all you got to do is invite your friends to the website here using your referral link, and it is literally that simple. So make sure to check out BitFi with the link down in the description below. And with that being said, make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump right into today's video. So the much awaited moment that you guys have been waiting for here, I picked the video. This was actually yesterday's episode, had quite a lot of views, and we sifted through the comments, and the winner for this week is XRP John 2123. I'm going to be sending you, a BitFi t-shirt, BitFi keychains, as well as an Amazon gift card. So XRP John, if you're watching, make sure to send me an email at cryptotvofficial@gmail.com. Or you can find my email in the description down below, and send me over your name, full address, and phone number so I can have that stuff sent out to you. And if I can find your email here, which I can't, nope, I can't. So, John Hall, shoot me over an email, take a screenshot of your YouTube channel too, just so I know that this is you, and I'll be able to send all that stuff over this week. So I'm super excited about that. Once again, huge shout out to XRP John for winning this week's giveaway here. And with that being said, let's dive into the technical analysis here. So to start off, we can start off with the channel. Basically, yesterday I made an episode saying, why is no one telling you this? We are literally moments away from seeing a break in the markets that I would expect to see happen fairly soon, especially because we're in this kind of uptrend here. We have an uptrend, a price ceiling here, and as we fill in this gap, we're getting dangerously close to finding that retest and making that decision that we're all patiently waiting for here. On the current coin market cap, you can see market is up 2.67 trillion. That's where we're kind of at. But as you guys can see, all these cryptos, we've pretty much completed the 7 days. Like I said, since Thursday afternoon till Monday morning tomorrow, we are going to be closed for the stock market. Not much is going to happen here. And you can see that clearly affecting Bitcoin's price because this is the last 7 days. So we have Thursday afternoon, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. That's almost 5 days. That's majority of the week we've been closed. And you can see how we had this little movement in the beginning there, and then since then it's been doing nothing. Same thing with Ethereum, BNB very little. A lot of these cryptos haven't seen much movements because the market has been closed. So in past 24 hours, we're not seeing much movement at all. 80 on the fear and greed, lots of consolidation except for Doge, but everything else is pretty much consolidating here, and it makes total sense because the markets have been closed. As you guys can see, it is good though. It's definitely healthy and a good time to need this, or for this to happen, because a lot of these cryptos needed to kind of fill in the gap here on a lot of their technical indicators here. For example, XRP, we've been tracking a beautiful breakout outside its 5th bull flag. We've had 5 consecutive bull flags here on XRP over the past year, and you can see we just recently broke out of our 5th one right here, heading to the upside. But while we're within this fractal right here, you can see the consolidation that's taking place as we fill this in, which is very exciting. As we start to get closer to this, we are going to get stuck, as we currently are, between a rock and a hard place, price ceiling and price floor. As we fill this gap and make a decision is going to have to be made as to whether or not we're going to be breaking down or breaking up from this. Now, typically, these ascending fractals do have a bearish bias. We do correct to the downside. However, I don't think we have completed the bull flag just yet, so I'd be more on the side of a potential reversal and a recovery pullback or pull to the upside within XRP, mainly because we're still trending inside of a breakout. This is the fifth bull flags breakout to the upside here, and we haven't even gotten to where I think would be the final retest, which would be close to 75 to 80 cents. We did that before. We have, I know, retested that. Maybe that counts as something. Maybe we have already hit that top, but I don't think we're out of it just yet, even though we're seeing a bearish cross probably form on the daily moving average. I mean, it all comes down to how we're going to react with this. If we break through this floor, we'll short it. If we break through the red band resistance, we'll buy in and long. I'm hoping that we see more of a positive reaction to this, but who knows? You can already see the consolidation taking place on XRP's daily charts here, filling in the gap. Decision is going to come very quickly, and we're going to hopefully be able to capitalize on this regardless of the direction that it decides to take us. Also remember, and I'll double check with you because today is the 31st, whether or not this is over or not. But BidFi is still giving away $200 worth of Shiba Inu and $200 in USDT for literally signing up with the link down in the description and making your first deposit. It's literally that simple. More information, like I said, is down in the description below. But this is exclusive for new users, which is super cool. Now, moving forward from XRP, as you guys know, if you wanted to trade XRP or when that time comes and the markets do decide to pop, we can take advantage of this on BidFi because BidFi is literally the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. BidFi lets me buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits. Literally everything you'd want on an exchange is offered on BidFi. You can do everything you want, market orders, leverage, or that's the deposit amount, but you have the leverage right up here, however much you wanted to do. We then have right over here a welcome rewards bonus, which is super cool. And then they have a demo trading account, which is also my favorite. Let me pull this up. Didn't mean to do that. Let's get off that. Here we go. Demo trading account. So they have a way, not only can you earn the the $400 that they're giving away completely free on BidFi, but they're also giving away over 2K. Specific to each user. It's not a shared prize pool. Anyone can get this up to 2K by completing the new user advanced and exclusive tasks here. They then even have the demo account. So for those that are wondering well, I don't want to just start trading cryptocurrency, and I get that here. They offer a demo account which gives you 50 grand in Monopoly money to test your skills, get familiar with the exchange, learn how to use the exchange, learn how to trade, learn how to practice my trades, and then when you're ready, you can switch on over to live account, which is super cool. It's a great way to get familiar and practice your trading within the markets and within crypto without actually having to risk anything. Anywho, moving forward from, BidFi and XRP, you can see this is the XRP chart, and as we're filling in this gap here, Solana is doing a very similar thing. Solana is also filling in the gap here. You can see within this ascending fractal that we've been forming here, we're getting very close to the top. Filling in this gap, a decision is going to have to be made very soon as we start to climb higher and higher and higher, retesting the price ceiling here, this in blue right here. As we fill this in, we're going to have to make a decision here, and I'm glad we're probably going to see that decision this week, which is very exciting here. Price ceiling, price floor, decision time is upon us here. Will we break out? Will we break down? That's what's up for debate here. Price ceiling, price floor, we fill this gap in. We confirm closure above the daily here, we buy in long. We confirm closure below the support, we buy in and we short. And it's that simple. There's no more explanation. It's that textbook. And we can trade that as well on Solana, we could trade that Solana as well on XRP, literally, or on BidFi, excuse me. Literally just type in SOL. Why aren't we popping up? Oh, this is the demo account. We go to USDT, click this, type in SOL, and you can see right here they have Solana, which we can leverage trade as well, which is what we're going to do when we get this opportunity, which is coming this week. I hopefully you guys are aware of that. We will be able to trade Solana most likely, and definitely that decision is going to be made this week. Anywho, Ethereum has just recently broke outside its descending fractal here. This is a good sign. So this might be something if you guys want to get in on an early trade. The fact that we confirm this, we're probably going to slowly start to scale up, which is very exciting. We broke out of a descending broadening wedge to the upside here, and we kind of doing the same thing. I wouldn't be surprised if we continue to skew higher. And, you could take advantage of that. And then lastly, looking at Bitcoin, and then we'll look at the S&P. We're also in an ascending fractal here, similar to Solana with its price ceiling. Bitcoin on the 4-hour, though, is filling in this gap here. And again, we're not making any sort of rash decisions until we see how we play out. If we break down, we can short. We close the 4-hour below the uptrend, we know to short. We close above price ceiling. This has been the biggest problematic zone. This is more of a moderate buy. This is more of a conservative buy. And this is more conservative too. So that's pretty much the decision that we have to make. Markets have been consolidating, so it's very healthy because it's allowed us to fill in the technical indicators. But what it is doing is it's opening us up for some moves, hopefully that we'll see within this week. So I'm excited for that. And then lastly, the S&P. I'm just waiting to buy in on this dump. I mean, it's going to happen. We're going to fall like 7-8%, but hopefully it happens soon, because I think it's not plausible that we just keep moving as high as we keep doing. You can see the last time we did this, look at the major sell-off that we had. Last time we went up so high like this, we came back down, and we're doing the same thing now. So I would not be surprised if we came back down, and I'm waiting for that pullback so I can put more money in and, go from there. But until then, we're pretty much just sitting ducks, but it will pay off at some point. I think we're way too overbought and overextended. But let me know what you think down in the comments below. That being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.